In this video, we're going to be estimating using our linear regression. In order to estimate using your line, you can click on the line, and when you click on the line, a point appears. You can drag the point up and down your line to make estimates. For example, if I want to estimate the value when x is 0, I'm going to drag my point to 0. When x is 0, y is 1.532. If I want to estimate my value when x is 6, I'm going to grab my point to 6. When x is 6, y is 6.81. You can do this up and down your line to get different values in order to use your line to estimate what's going on. You can use your eyeballs for this too. You don't have to drag a point. So if I let go of the point and look about here, when x is 18, y is about a little bit bigger than 17, so between 17 and 18. These are two ways you can use your line to estimate outputs for given inputs.